Hi, I'm Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. Today I'm here to talk to you about something really exciting. We have 4 new styles in the Amore collection, and we also have a new cap construction which I cannot wait to show you. So the 4 new styles are simply beautiful, and I'm here with one of them today. This one is Levi, and this is in seashell blonde. So you can see with the seashell blonde it's a rooted colour, and it has this gorgeous, nice creamy blonde, which really lends itself lovely to this new style Levi. Levi has a long sideward fringe, as you can see. We have layers that are framing the face, and I'm just going to turn her around a little bit so we can see how this style looks. You can see it just kicks off beautifully, it bounces off the shoulder, it's got a gorgeous femininity to it, it's got loads of movement and loads of shape. So let's pop her back on here, and like all of the wigs in the Amore collection, it's a double monofilament, so it's very, very natural. The parting can be moved, so you can move that around if you need to, with it being a mono. It's very, very light, swingy piece, which I just think is gorgeous. So this is one of the new 4 styles in the Amore collection, and this is Levi. This is Sybil, and Sybil today we're looking at this in medium brown. Now, I love Sybil. I mean, obviously you look at this style and it's a beautiful layered bob. We've got this gorgeous shape from the sideward bang, or sideward fringe, whichever way you want to look at it, that's just sitting below the cheekbone. The layers are framing the face absolutely stunning. And I'm going to turn you around to look at the shape of the back soon as well. But what's really exciting about Sybil is, like all of the Amore collection, it's a double monofilament. It's a hand-tied piece, but also we have something really exciting and new to share with you. We have our new advanced lace. Advanced lace, it's like having a lace front, but we've extended the lace even further down to continue towards roughly around about here. So just to show you the back, I mean, look, that is just, what a delicious haircut that is. Absolutely beautiful. Really, really is something. That's gorgeous. Immediately when I first touched this wig, I'm amazed by the lightness and how it just moves. I mean, it is a really fabulous haircut. It's been it's beautiful, beautiful. So then if I turn inside, now that would be where the lace front usually finishes, but with the advanced lace, you can see it's going right the way across. So we have a much wider area of lace. So thus it's making this very natural around these areas. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is Sybil from the Amore collection, and Sybil is in medium brown. This is Tate, and this is Tate in Ice Mocha R. I love this colour. Let's just talk about the colour a little bit first. I think with these shorter styles, when you see these kind of chunky highlights, it really emphasises the texture. And Tate, for me, is going to definitely be one to watch. This gorgeous little cute bob has got so many features which are beautiful. Let's have a look at them. So first, she has the sideward fringe, which just sits just below the cheekbone, so it gives you a beautiful shape around the front. She's also cut in such a way that it gives you this heart-shaped texture which frames the face beautifully from underneath the jawbone, which just gives a gorgeous femininity to this style. Now, let me turn her to a side. So I love the way that this sits in on the side. You can see those layers just look beautiful, but it's got that shape which just tucks in really nice towards the nape of the neck, which will sit just fantastic, really fashionable, gorgeous length. So there she is, that's Tate. So let's take her off a second and see how she's feeling. So immediately again, like all the Amore collection, very, very light, a lot of movement. Just gonna turn her around. You can see we've got the lace front and the double monofilament. And I think this is just a beautiful style. It's gorgeous. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is Tate from the Amore collection. So our last style is Braylen from the Amore collection. You can see Braylen is a really super trendy hairstyle. I really like it. I love the flatness here. The flatness here makes it not look too big, too poofy and too round, so it keeps it looking fashion forward. I love this texture toward the mid-lengths and ends, this nice dishevelled curl pattern. So it doesn't look overdone, but it doesn't look too underdone, somewhere in between the two. love this side with fringe. I think that looks really, really gorgeous. It just gives a real nice femininity, and these fringes are really back for this season, so you're going to be seeing a lot of that. Okay, I think the colour looks great. So it's in Spring Honey Tea. So the tea for the tips, so we've got the nice little tips towards the ends, so it's a little bit lighter towards there, and it really lends itself beautifully to this style Braylen. Let's take a little look at Braylen. So first off, as I like to do with all the wigs, I like to see how bouncy they are, how responsive they are to movement. And being responsive to movement also makes me realise how natural they're going to be. So this one is really responsive to movement. Loads of swing, loads of bounce. So it looks amazing. Amore have done fantastic. So here we go. I'm just going to turn inside out. So like all of the Amore, we have the double monofilament and of course the adjustable straps in at the nape. And we've got the lace front. So this beautiful style, ladies and gentlemen, is Braylen from the Amore Collection. Out of the 4 styles, which one was your favourite? Put it in the comments, we'd love to hear. For me, I think I like all 4 of them for all different reasons. They're so wearable, they're so fashionable, and they're beautiful. So you've been tuning in to me today, Alexander Turnbull from René of Paris and Aderans. Remember, follow us on all forms of social media, and thank you for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Thank you.